初センチュリーの試乗です。Nice car, man. I'm really enjoying driving this thing. Eric, I'm ready to go. カードが挿入されてません。This is a nice car to drive. I think it's a nice car to be driven in. How can I get comfortable driving a Century with a guy wearing a USA hat? Thank you. I can guarantee they didn't have cup holders to fit these back in the day. All right, let's do it. It was a car used as a limousine from people from the Emperor. I must tell you that this would never happen in Japan. 鼻毛がないな。どうしたの？どうした？ああ。トヨタのセンチュリーがあるじゃない、センチュリー。エレキさんに売りに出してるらしいので、売る前に試乗しないとね、試乗させてもらわないといけないので、エレキのところに行ってみよう。行ってみよう。WRX-STI は最高だよね。楽しい。気分に悪いけど、いない時にたまに、乗ってます。じゃあ、エリックさん、行こう。近くに住んでるみたいですね。すぐわかりますよね。住所わかんなくてもこれでわかるんじゃないですか。あらららららら。間違いなくエリックのところですね。What's up, Eric? How you doing, man? Good to see you, man, as always. Yeah, what do you think if we took it for a little drive around?
All right, let's do it.
Hey, so Eric.
Yes, sir.
I think it's best I drive since I know the quickest way to my house from here.
You know the best way, yeah.
I do know the best way. And with the monster-sized bottles, these are American-sized water bottles in a Japanese car. I can guarantee they didn't have cup holders to fit these back in the day. これは楽しみですね。初センチュリーの試乗です。I gotta hear it start up, Eric. I just love the startup sounds of different cars. Very luxury, Toyota-esque, very quiet. カードが挿入されてません。Sound like it? Do I sound like her? カードが挿入されてません。やっぱりこれはね、運転する側よりね、後ろに乗る方が楽ですよね。シートもあまりね、下がらないですよね。Eric, this car is a very good driving car. This is a really smooth driving car. I love. We gotta put the flags out after, dude. What do you say?
I think that we could probably do it.
What a smooth driving car. Look at the digital dash. Just everything. This car is so well kept. One of the things I thought was real interesting, Eric, I don't know if you noticed it, is everything down here on the window switches are all in Japanese.
Yeah.
Did you notice that?
Mm-hmm.
And then you come here, and while it is mainly Japanese on the buttons, there is English on here as well. And there's certainly English up here, which tells me this was a Japan-only car in the sense that the stuff on the door is very unique to this car, possibly this car only for the Japanese market.
Absolutely.
Some of this stuff might have been shared with the same era Toyota from 91 is that what this car?
91 is this car, yes.
91 era on the electronic dashes might have shared some common things here. Here's my theory, is that this car was a car specific in Japan only for sale, possibly, okay? And since it was a car used as a limousine from, people from the Emperor, right down to the biggest companies, owners and other people, that this car was only sold in Japan. Therefore, certain elements of this car are Japan-only elements, like some of these elements. However, if you look back at Toyotas, even Toyotas here in the US from the 90s and the late 80s, early 90s, this normal sport button, look at the brake release, definitely shared in another platform. And that's why I'm betting that some of this gauges here, since it's all in English, non-Japanese, this is a share with this, as opposed to this being Century only.
Yeah.
You're a little more knowledgeable than I am, but I will tell you it's a heavy car,
Yeah.
even with this V8, and it's not this car wasn't made for speed, this car was made for cruising. You can tell that this car was made for comfort for the person driving in the back, and in driving it, I can appreciate it. But nice car, man. I'm really enjoying driving this thing. Really, so awesome. So awesome. すごい楽しい車ですね。これ乗るのはね。でも次はね、乗せてもらおう。運転してもらおう。Here's the thing.
Yeah.
This is a nice car to drive. I think it's a nice car to be driven in.
That's very true.
Do you mind if we stop and get this car ready for an executive drive?
Yeah. Why don't we swap spots? Except you're going back there.
Let's do it, baby.
All right.
Let's do it. You got a diplomat style guy driving in the back? We better put the diplomatic flags out. Yes. Love it.
All right, you gotta help me.
Oh yeah.
This one goes on this side.
Alrighty. Nice.
Perfect.
Nice. Alrighty.
So let's get you comfortable in the back.
Before I get comfortable in the back, shouldn't you look the part of a professional driver? I think you're missing something, my friend. How can I get comfortable driving a Century with a guy wearing a USA hat? Oh, that's good.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, yes.
We gotta do this right.
And it looks even better with the jeans and the t-shirt.
That's
Perfect stuff. Oh, Eric, I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Thank you, sir. Oh. Thank you.
So first thing,
Yes, sir.
if we want to get a little bit more legroom up here,
Mm-hmm.
the button's up there on the console.
We're gonna go. We definitely want to hit the tilt.
Yeah. We're gonna open this one up.
Uh-huh.
And get your feet
Oh.
straight on through there.
Well, let me be Japanese because, you know, you would not put feet with shoes through your hole here, but oh, thank you. Oh, yes.
There you go.
Oh, yes. This is good. Thank
So,
you.
Now we also do have this one over here. We're gonna make sure that we recline the
Oh,
seat
yes.
properly.
Oh, yes. That is good. Oh, excellent. Thank you, sir.
Now, Sir Steve, in case you would like a massage, we do have the massaging seats up here.
Oh, I like that. A good thumping on my back right there. That's beautiful. Excellent. Thank you. すごいな。マッサージまでもついてるんだよね、これは。Let's go.
All right,
Let's
do
hit the road. すごいな、これは。もう91年にマッサージ付きのシートがあることがすごいな。腰になんか当たってるんだよね、すごい。Oh, driver, I
Yes,
noticed
sir.
the gasoline light on.
It is a
Do
bit
we have
low.
ample mileage?
We do have ample mileage. The reserve is fantastic.
I must tell you that this would never happen in Japan.
Yeah.
That tank would be full, my friend.
All the
という
time.
ことですよね。すごいな、やっぱりこれで、鼻毛がないな。鼻くそとかは大丈夫そうだね。You really look official.
If you open this up,
Yes, sir.
you actually have a hidden tape recorder.
あ
In case there are sensitive conversations that need to be recorded.
あ、すごいな。テクニクスのレコーダーも入ってるんだよね。これ盗聴とかはできるんだよね。すげえ。すごいな。わかんないようになってるんだよね、これは。Wow, look at that. Secret recordings.
There is one other thing. You want to know that we're going to the right place.
Correct.
So, you want to make sure that you can see where we're going.
Yes,
So,
sir.
We have this that folds down.
Ah,
So
thank
you
you.
have
That
a-
does clear my view a little bit
We
nicer.
have a better view of the road ahead.
I feel lots of road ahead. Although with that gas light on, I'm a little concerned about how much road we should have ahead. What do you got? You got any Japanese tunes?
I do not. Let me see. Oh, what's that? That sounds like...
ああ、あんまり日本の音楽とまた違うと思うんだけど、センチュリーでこういうアメリカンクラシックロック聴く人がいたのかな、当時。Eric, I must say, I like driving this car, but I gotta tell you too, I think I like it even more being driven in. And you're a fine driver, sir.
Sir, we have arrived.
Wow. That's good. That's good. And for, I think the Japanese people watched this video are thinking that you're a pretty cool dude for owning a Century here. ではまたお会いしましょうね。アメリカでこういう珍しい車に乗れるのはすごい楽しい。それと、Twitter、インスタ、Facebook それぞれもフォローしてね。それと Amazon ストアもやってますよ。スティーブグッズ、ほら、サムズアップの T シャツ、サムズアップのステッカー、スティーブ的店のステッカーなどなど、全部その Amazon ショップにあるので、チェックしてね。ここに、下の方にリンク入れときます。ではよろしくお願いします。Eric, do you speak any Japanese?
No. You gotta teach me something.
じゃあね。
じゃあね。
じゃあね。じゃあね。いいね。Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yes! ではよろしく。やっと今日ね、エリックと話したことの中では一つはこの車の予定。この 240Z。はい。みんなによく言われますよね。スティーブさん、あの車なんとかしていて、早くね、運転してあげて、早く直してあげて。わかってる。わかってる。今から出発って感じかな。なんかもそれ言ってるんだけど、やっとかなっていう感じなんで、エンジンルームをまたね、組み立てること、キャブレーターはどうするかということ、程度はすごくいいですよ。ここには、これは関係ないよね。これはスバル用に。みんなびっくりしないでね。これがあって。それで、これはね、ウィング。かっこいいウィングがある。程度すごくいい。それと、ここにパーツが寝かしてあるんで、この車もあの車もやること多いですね。でも楽しい。